Hello guys, today we are going to talk about the string function called uppercase and lowercase. Before we move to the text editor, we should know the meaning of the uppercase and lowercase. Basically, the uppercase is the function that changes the string into an uppercase, and by using the lowercase we can change the string into a lowercase. Let's go to the text editor and I will show you some example. If the variable name is equals to Zuze, and I want this to change into the uppercase, okay, b is equals to name dot uppr upper, okay, then here I print b. Let's see in the terminal, okay, my app pyts in Python, my app.py, okay. You can see we printed the capital letter, okay. If you want to change this into the lowercase, then okay. If you want to convert this into the lowercase, then you can see the Zuze has been printed in the lowercase, though the variable is in the uppercase, okay. We will make some small app that asks for the user for input, and then it asks for the user to print uppercase or lowercase, okay. Let's start. user input input, okay. First we want to take the input from the user, and put input point something to unvrt convert, okay. Here we go. And I want to ask whether you want to change the things you have given into uppercase or in the lowercase, okay. So upper or lower, okay, uppercase or lowercase, and put input u for upper case and l for the lower case, okay. If the user say type u and hit enter, then it will print it into the uppercase. If the user put l and hit enter, then it will convert it into the lowercase, okay. Now if u underscore l dot lower lower equals to u is uppercase, okay. If the user gave u, then what I have to do is f equals to user input dot uppr uppercase. We will print this into the uppercase, and to print this into f, okay. There we go. And if user equal dot low lowercase, then equals to L, then what happened? Then just put this here, copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and convert this into LOW lower. Okay. Then if this doesn't match, then else we print something point WRNZ wrong. Okay, something went wrong. So in first step, we take the input from the user, what the sentence or what text the user want to convert it into uppercase or lowercase. Then in the second line, it asks for what cases they want to convert, lowercase or uppercase. Okay, then it will check if the user put U, then it will convert it into the uppercase. If the user give L, then it converted it into lowercase. If this doesn't match, if the user put the other keyboard, then it will print something went wrong. Let's see in our terminal. Here we go. Something to convert, right? So if I want to convert today I am, let's say PPY happy, okay, and I want to convert this into uppercase, for example. It is in the lowercase, so I want to convert it to the upper. Okay, hit enter and I pass uppercase, yeah, U, and hit enter. Here you can see today I'm happy has converted it into uppercase. So let's see the lowercase will work or not. Okay, let's run the app again, and I want to type today, let's see, capitalize. Okay, today is not a good day. Okay, today is not a good day, and hit enter, and I want to convert it into the lowercase. Okay, L, and hit enter. Today the uppercase one for the lowercase, something went wrong. There is some mistake. What is the mistake in here? Okay, let's find out. Python, let's see. Okay, Python, hey man, how are you? Okay, hit enter, and the lowercase. Okay, and the lowercase, hit enter. U for the uppercase and L for the lowercase, something went wrong. Okay, yeah, here is the mistake, because I put the wrong U underscore. Here we go, our problem has been solved. So these things happen. Okay, something to convert, then I gonna say capitalize. Okay, hey, how you, and here we go, hey, how you. I want to convert it into a lowercase. Okay, if I type L here, then hit enter, here you can see hey, how you, it has been converted it into the lowercase. Okay, so I hope you understand a little bit about the uppercase and lowercase, and you know some idea about how to make the app like things. Okay, so thank you very much, and see you in the next session.